Welcome back, beauties. It's your girl Abby here if you're new to my channel. So we're going to be achieving these eyebrows, and with my previous tutorial I used a Huda Beauty contour and bronzer palette. I've told you guys so many times I use it for so many applications, so that video will be good for someone that loves eyebrow gel, right? But today we're going to be using our pencil. I know as a beginner pencils are very easy to use, so we're going to be using our pencil to achieve this look. It's almost the same technique. We're going to follow the same technique. If you want to learn how to actually draft or draw your brow, I'll be leaving a link in the description box for you to follow how to, you know, demarcate your brow, how it ends, how it arch, and where it starts, right? So that video will be in this description box in this video, and you can hop on and learn how to do that. But today is a quick tutorial for you pencil lovers. I've got you. So without further ado, let's hop on to our tutorial. So first of all, you're gonna be needing a pencil, very sharp pencil. So mine is used a little bit, so not very sharp and pointy. You don't want to make it too sharp and pointy so it breaks. So you're gonna have to sharpen it somewhere like that, and you're gonna be needing a flat brush which you can sculpt or outline your brow with a concealer. And we're going to be needing also a spoolie brush which you're going to be using to brush your brow and tame your brow in the natural shape. And also you're going to be needing a blending brush, right? And you're going to be needing a bigger brush to buff everything out, make it look very seamless, right? And lastly, you're going to be needing your concealer. So I'll be using a skin tone concealer in the shade 145 Warm Olive Eraser multi-use concealer, Maybelline. And then I'll be using 08 Buff, which is like about 3 or 4 shades brighter than my skin tone, right? So you can opt for either this one or use a brighter one as you prefer, right? But I like to blend these two. So let's go on to our tutorial. So I'm going to start by brushing my brow in place the natural way it flows, and we're going to go ahead and outline my brows with a pencil. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my hair jam, right, to just tame my brows in place. You can use either a brow gel, you know, a setting powder as we did in the previous video, just to tame your brows down, right? I tend to use whatever I've got available in place, and to also give you guys, I mean, many options to use if you don't really have what I basically use, right? So all to tame your brow in the natural way it flows or fall. And we're gonna go ahead and draw our brows. So following the same shape of my brow is already groomed, right? I'll be doing a tutorial to show you how to groom your brows as well. So I'm just outlining the brow, the natural shape, and we're gonna go in and fill in any gap that is seen or any gap that is necessary, right? So I'm simply outlining my brow natural shape, right? So I'll be filling in any gap I could see, emphasizing more on the outer part or the arch area. As you can see, there's a gap there, and I'll be going on a little bit harder to fill in or shade in, but at the very front I'll be soft over there. And we're going to go ahead and use the spoolie brush to blend everything in and also soften the look. We want a fluffy brow, but at the same time very natural. Now I'm gonna go in the very arch area with my brighter shade concealer. Like I told you, ladies, so I'm using this lighter shade. I think it's about 3 or 4 lights lighter than my skin tone, just to bring more definition to the arch area, or to bring more highlight, let's say, right? So it makes the brow look snatch or crisp, right? So you can opt for a skin tone shade if that is what you prefer. You can go ahead and use that, but this is how I love my brow to look, right? And I'm simply gonna drag the concealer down onto my eyelid. We're gonna blend that all together later on. So in the very front of my eyebrow, I'm gonna go in and outline or define with the skin tone concealer in the shade Warm Olive. I'll be leaving links below in this description box, just in case you want to use the same products I'm using, or whatever you have. You can go ahead and, you know, mimic or repeat the same steps. It is pretty simple. So one thing to also notice is that if you're going to apply the skin tone shade, and if you're using the same brush, please do clean your brush. Do clean your brush before you apply the skin tone shade. You don't really want to mix it up and make it look all, you know, very light, right? So now I'm going over that one and I'm blending that in with my concealer brush. I'm using the Real Techniques brushes. So that's basically all. I'm just gonna blend everything down into my eyelid, making sure everywhere is covered. You know, I'm gonna be wearing a makeup and a tutorial, I believe in. I'll be uploading very soon, right after this one. So I'm actually prepping my eyelid for the eyeshadow look that I'll be going in for, right? So I'm gonna repeat the same steps onto the left eye, right? Again, just in case you didn't catch it, I'm outlining my brow with a dark brown pencil. I'll be leaving links in the description box for you to purchase this pencil. It was actually very affordable. I think it came in about 6 of them in a pack, right? So as you can see, I've got a big gap on top of this brow. So my left brow seems to be very different from the right one. So all I'm doing is to, you know, fill in that gap, outline the brow a little bit on top of there, fill in all the gaps, right? And we're repeating the same steps. Filling, and then we're going to use a spoolie brush to brush everything in, and then also softening the very front of the brow. And we're going to go ahead and define our brow with our concealer. So in the very front of my brow, I'm simply gonna fade in whatever product is left on the brush, just to give me that faded front of the brow, that natural look. And I'm going on top of the eyelids with a bit more concealer to prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow look I'm gonna create after this tutorial. So I'll be leaving a video up for you surely for the makeup look I went in for. Now I'm just buffing everything out with a bigger blending brush, and I'm gonna go on top of it to set my eyelid with my setting powder. Again, I'll be leaving links below for you to see if you want to try the same product I use. And that's basically all we need to do. And I'm going also on top of the eyebrow with a setting powder to set the brow, you know, in place. And that's basically all we're doing now. Easy peasy technique how to achieve these brows. Very lovely. Love you guys. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.